Hey, Crazy Bob here. Today we're going to talk about coding with Bimmercode in a really fast kind of way. With this right here, it can take upward to 30 seconds for it to identify your car, read your module. It takes its time, as you know if you've done it. Well, no longer will you need this because I've just purchased from your favorite company that starts with an A and it's online, a eNet adapter, and I've got an OBD to eNet cable, so I'm going to go straight from a cable to my phone. Let's take a look at how this works. So the part I purchased is this. It's basically just a regular old eNet plug with an iPhone ending to it. So we're going to go ahead and plug our OBDII eNet cable, which I have right here. We're going to plug this into the car and we're going to see how much faster Bimmercode is with this. Take a look at how fast this thing loads compared to your Bluetooth adapter that you're using now. So take a look at that. So there goes the speed for getting in. I can recall waiting upwards of 30 seconds to load the vehicle. Now take a look at that. Now, if you have Bimmer Link, you'll also notice you get that little pie when you're reading out your errors. Take a look at how fast this is. So I would recommend this eNet to folks. So there's my tidbit for the day. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget that thumbs up. Take care till next time.